I really love this cannon. This is so great. And I found these golf balls. I mean, I wonder, can I shoot them out of the cannon? Psst.
Hey.
Where'd you come from?
Oh, you know, just over yonder. Doesn't really matter. Heard you wanted to launch some golf balls.
I do. I had these. Do you think that'll fit?
Oh, yeah, it'll fit. This is the X-Fore golf ball launcher. I'm the only one in town that's got it. No big deal.
Oh, there you go.
You can launch golf balls out of it.
There we go. Want to come shoot it with me?
Nah, I would, but I got some business to attend to. You have fun, though. By the way, if anyone asks, you got that from X Products, not me.
All right, thanks. That was a good day.